Are you ready to take your aerial photography to the next level? This video reveals the top 5 DJI drones for 2023 in the UK that will help you capture stunning footage from the sky. If you want to learn more about any of these products, I will include the links to each of them in the description below. First up is the DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo, the perfect drone for beginners. Its ultralight and foldable design makes it easy to transport, and the 3-axis gimbal ensures stable footage with its 4K camera and 12MP photo capabilities. With 31 minutes of flight time, OcuSync 2.0 HD video transmission, and quick shots with DJI Fly app, the DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo is a steal at only £549. Next is the DJI Avata Fly Smart Combo, a first-person view drone that offers an immersive flight experience. With 4K stabilized video and a super-wide 155 degrees FOV, you can capture every flight detail. The built-in propeller guard ensures your drone stays safe during flight, and the HD low-latency transmission means you can see everything in real time. You can purchase the DJI Avata Fly Smart Combo for £849.97. Another great option is the DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo. With a 3-axis gimbal camera, 5.4K video, and a 1-inch CMOS sensor, you can capture stunning footage from the sky. The drone also comes with 4 directions of obstacle sensing, a 31-minute flight time, and a max 7.5-mile video transmission. The Mastershots feature helps you capture professional-level footage with the touch of a button. The DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo is currently going for £1,318.73. For those looking for a more immersive flight experience, the DJI FPV Combo is the way to go. With its first-person view and super-wide 150 degrees FOV, you'll feel like you're flying through the sky. The 4K camera and HD low-latency transmission mean you won't miss a moment of the action. The drone also comes with emergency brake and hover features for added safety. You can purchase the DJI FPV Combo for £865. Finally, we have the DJI Mini 3 Pro. This lightweight, foldable camera drone is perfect for beginners, weighing less than 249 g. With 4K 60fps video, 48MP, 34-minute flight time, and front, rear, and downward obstacle avoidance, you can capture stunning footage with ease. The drone also has a return-to-home feature for added safety. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is currently going for £859. There you have it, our top 5 DJI drones for 2023 in the UK market. If you'd like us to make a part 2, let us know in the comments below so we can provide you with more reviews. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.